You're actually very lucky that I'm actually here tonight. Because just as I was travelling over tonight, I was on the ferry. I got my laptop out, I was doing final few bits to the few words that I had to say, and I dropped my laptop in the sea. Can you believe it? I dropped my laptop in the sea. You know what we have now? Adele rolling in the deep. Thank you. Adele's a singer. So our first prize winner this year is Kieran Allison, and he wins the award for If we can just do them in groups of students, and if we can all applaud together after each one of those. Our next prize winner is Natasha Atkins, and she receives an award for 150 merits throughout the year. Leah Baker receives the award for physics. Charlotte Baxter also receives an award for 150 merits throughout the year. Ross Osborne receives an award for merits. Samuel Bowling receives an award for merits. Brendan Bradley receives the award for physics. And Dean Brett receives an award for merits. Daniel Brown receives the award for dance, for merits, and also for 100% attendance. William Burns receives the award for ICT. Caitlin Casson receives an award for 150 merits throughout the year. James Clark receives the award for German. Luke Coogan receives an award for full attendance throughout the year and also for 150 merits. Sarah Cook receives an award for 150 merits throughout the year, and Joshua Crawford receives an award for 150 merits. Martin Donnelly receives an award for 100% attendance. Nathan Donahue receives the award for biology, the award for design technology, for 100% attendance, and also for 150 merits throughout the year. Joshua Doyle receives an award for full attendance. Rosie Dunn receives the award for French, the award for English, and a top reader award. Michael Edwards receives an award for best progress in literacy. Marcus Spaulding receives the award for art. Joshua Ferguson Wilson receives an award for full attendance. Matthew Georgeson receives the award for chemistry. Brody Horton receives an award for full attendance. And Julia Igulska receives the award for drama and also for 150 merits. Sam Pepper receives the award for 150 merits. Kaya Troyer receives the award for music. Lucy Lefebvre receives an award for 100% attendance. Thomas Lloyd receives an award for 150 merits. And Maya Luo receives the award for maths. Morgan Maid receives an award for 150 merits. Elizabeth McDermott receives the award for chemistry and for 150 merits. Gareth Mayer receives an award for full attendance. Daniel Morgan receives the award for RE. Gracie Pearce receives the award for 150 merits. And Elliot Pickford receives the award for full attendance and for maths. Sam Platt receives an award for 100% attendance. Melissa Rainford receives an award for 100% attendance. Anastasia Renko receives the award for German. Daniel Regan receives an award for full attendance, for history, and also for 150 merits. Joseph Regan receives an award for full attendance and also for geography. Rebecca Rowlands receives the award for history and 150 merits. Daniel Shepherd receives an award for 150 merits. Brianna Shin receives an award for merits. Joshua Smith receives an award for full attendance and also for 150 merits. Francesca Smith receives an award for 150 merits. Ella Swan receives the award for RE and for 150 merits. Kirsty Ward receives the award for DT, for 100% attendance and for merits. Jake Waring receives an award for 100% attendance. Bethany Weir receives an award for 150 merits. Katie Wellman receives an award for 100% attendance. And Callum Woodhouse receives an award for 150 merits. And that completes the first section of Year 7 from last year.